Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming townhouse nestled in the cozy neighborhood of Portmore Country Club, St. Catherine. The land area is approximately 5,016 square feet. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It also offers a warm and inviting atmosphere. With its picturesque curb appeal and well-maintained landscaping, this home is sure to capture your heart with tons of storage space and extra room that can be used as a man cave or office space, a clubhouse for entertainment, and a playground for the kids. This property is the ideal family home. Relax in the comfort of your private backyard oasis, complete with a patio and lush greenery, making this townhouse the ideal retreat for those seeking a tranquil and homey abode. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 49.5 million or US $321,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.